Hey there, Bitty Guest back at you. As fellow wheelchair rollers understand and know, there are some challenges about being in a wheelchair, and I often come across one where it's, hey, run up to the hospital and give us a blood sample. Well, that's real easy, but load the wheelchair in the van, get to the hospital, unload it, get in there. It's not as simple as just hopping in your car and running up there. There is a answer. A friend of mine, a dear friend of mine in Colorado, she started a little company that comes out and draws blood in the comfort of your home. What an amazing idea she has there. Joanna in Colorado will come right out to your home, draw your blood in the comfort of your own home, take it and get it to the lab as necessary. That's a huge time saver and convenience. She started a company called APO in Colorado, but I'm sure there's one near you. I would look into it.